Welcome back to the channel, RV enthusiasts and road trippers. Today we have an incredibly exciting piece of news that is going to make you rethink everything you know about compact luxury living on the open road. As we look ahead to the fast-approaching future of travel, it is clear that the industry is constantly innovating, and one manufacturer is already making waves for the upcoming model year. We are talking about the newly unveiled 2027 Sol Dusk travel trailer by InTech RV, a masterpiece of engineering that has been meticulously upgraded to offer what can only be described as a spaceship-like experience paired with the ultimate creature comforts of home. If you have been searching for a four-person towable that refuses to compromise on quality, durability, and high-end aesthetics, then you need to pay very close attention to what InTech has accomplished with this remarkable new model. Let us dive deep into why the 2027 Sol Dusk is not just another travel trailer, but a legitimate investment in a lifetime of unforgettable adventures. InTech RV might be a relatively younger player in the vast United States recreational vehicle market, but they have quickly built a reputation that rivals the most established heritage brands. Their secret lies in the way they build their products, utilizing unique construction methods and a design philosophy that completely ignores industry norms. The 2027 Sol Dusk is the pinnacle of this philosophy. This travel trailer is proudly described as being built for a lifetime of use, and that is not just marketing jargon. It all starts at the very foundation with their legendary all-aluminum cage frame construction. Unlike traditional wood-framed trailers that can rot, warp, or degrade over time due to moisture and stress, InTech welds their aluminum cage directly to the chassis, creating a remarkably rigid and durable skeleton. This rock-solid structure is then clad in hung fiberglass over Asdel panels. For the 2027 lineup, the manufacturer is utilizing premium gel-coat fiberglass, which not only gives the exterior a stunning, glossy, almost futuristic aesthetic, but is also exceptionally easier to maintain and repair should you ever encounter a mishap on your travels. When you first lay eyes on the 2027 Sol Dusk, you cannot help but be captivated by its signature tilt-forward front cap.
This aggressive aerodynamic profile does more than just cut through the wind efficiently while towing. It houses one of the most spectacular features of the entire Sol lineup. We are talking about the patented automotive-style 3-ply glass panoramic windshield. Imagine waking up in the morning, sitting at the spacious front dinette with a hot cup of coffee, and being greeted by an unobstructed cinematic view of the mountains, the forest, or the ocean. This massive window blurs the line between a cozy interior and the great outdoors, bathing the cabin in natural light and keeping everyone inside intimately connected to nature. Complementing this stunning front windshield are the new frameless tinted windows that wrap around the sides of the trailer, giving the exterior a sleek, seamless look while providing excellent privacy and UV protection for the occupants inside. Moving inside the Sol Dusk, the level of luxury is immediately apparent. Every square inch of the cabin reflects a deep commitment to elevated travel. You are immediately greeted by handcrafted hardwood cabinetry that feels like it belongs in a high-end residential home, beautifully contrasting with the solid surface countertops. The flooring features elegant infinity-woven materials that are not only gorgeous to look at, but incredibly durable and easy to clean after a muddy day on the trails. But perhaps the most exciting innovation inside the 2027 model is the sleeping arrangement. InTech has introduced something they call the Flex King system. At the rear of the trailer, you start with two very cozy and accessible twin beds, perfect for friends or siblings. However, with the simple push of a button, this space seamlessly transforms into a massive, luxurious king-size bed. This kind of flexibility is an absolute game changer, allowing you to tailor the sleeping configuration to your specific needs on any given trip. Paired with a spacious U-shaped front dinette that can also convert into a sleeping area, the Sol Dusk comfortably accommodates up to 4 adults without anyone feeling cramped or claustrophobic. Of course, luxury living on the road also requires top-tier amenities, and the 2027 Sol Dusk delivers in spades. The interior kitchen boasts a flush-mount stainless steel cooktop and a microwave, making meal preparation an absolute breeze, whether you are whipping up a quick snack or a full dinner. For your hygiene needs, there is a very spacious and refined wet bath, featuring an integrated sink, ensuring you never have to rely on questionable campground facilities again. Climate control is another area where InTech has refused to cut corners. The trailer comes standard with a powerful 15,000 BTU air conditioning unit, featuring soft start technology, meaning you will stay perfectly cool on the hottest summer days without overwhelming your electrical system. When the temperature drops in the evening, a robust 16,000 BTU furnace and an on-demand tankless water heater ensure you are warm and comfortable, while the comfort shell insulation keeps the interior climate perfectly regulated year-round. Now, let us talk about autonomy, because the 2027 Sol Dusk is designed to take you far beyond the crowded paved RV parks. InTech has significantly beefed up the off-grid capabilities for this new model year. The trailer now comes with a massively upgraded 3,000-watt inverter, stepping up from the previous 2,000-watt unit, and an incredible 460 amp-hours of lithium battery capacity, which is a huge leap from the older 200 amp-hour setup. This means you have an abundance of power to run your appliances, charge your devices, and live comfortably off the grid for days on end. If you want even more freedom, there is an optional off-grid package that slaps 300 watts of solar panels onto the one-piece fiberglass roof, paired with a 30-amp MPPT charge controller. They have even included Starlink prep and a dedicated solar port, making this the perfect rig for remote workers or digital nomads who need reliable, high-speed internet access while exploring the deepest parts of the wilderness. The exterior of the Sol Dusk is just as impressive and functional as the lush interior. Riding on a smooth torsion suspension system with a single axle, this trailer promises a stable and predictable towing experience behind your SUV or truck. InTech loves clean lines and a clutter-free aesthetic, which is why they've integrated a built-in storage compartment specifically designed to hide away two 20-pound liquid propane tanks. You will also find a power tongue jack for effortless hitching and unhitching, as well as a roof rack option to haul your kayaks, mountain bikes, or extra outdoor gear. But the true star of the exterior is the optional slide-out kitchen.
This brilliant addition slides out effortlessly from a rear storage compartment and features a heavy-duty cast-iron griddle, a large sink, plenty of extended prep space, and an exterior refrigerator. It is the absolute ultimate setup for outdoor entertaining and enjoying a barbecue under the stars with your family. In conclusion, the 2027 InTech Sol Dusk is not just pushing the envelope, it is completely redefining what a compact luxury travel trailer can be. With its indestructible aluminum cage, breathtaking panoramic windshield, transforming Flex King bed, and massive upgrades to off-grid power, it is a vehicle that truly delivers on the promise of premium, unrestricted travel. It successfully blends the futuristic appeal of a spaceship with the warm, inviting comfort of a luxury cabin, all wrapped up in a highly capable package that is built to endure a lifetime of adventures. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's coverage of this incredible machine. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for more daily automotive and RV news, and let us know in the comments where you would take the 2027 Sol Dusk on your first road trip. Safe travels, and we will see you in the next video.